Hello friends, my name is Shashank and welcome back to my channel, and today in this video we are going to learn how to use ChatGPT for the content creation by using two different types of prompts. One is the question type prompt and second is the dialogue prompt, and I always start with a very simple reply to the ChatGPT that is hi, and I will just show you that how you can start a simple conversation with the ChatGPT and create content by asking simple question. So today in this video I'm going to ask ChatGPT about the challenges of the corporate professional which they face during their corporate journey, and what are the struggles and challenges they face to advance their career. So this is a question which I want the ChatGPT to give me a reply or generate a response on that. So let's hit enter and let's see what ChatGPT comes up with. Right, so now so ChatGPT has reverted with the reply on this. So you can see that with just simple question, the ChatGPT has given me some of the struggles which the professional face. So I will just use this reply and will build upon that reply from the ChatGPT to create more content on that. So next I want to ask ChatGPT to create list down the types of challenges which they face based on their work-life balance. Can you list down the challenges about work-life balance? So now let's see what ChatGPT comes up with. So now you can see the ChatGPT has given me some of the points which are related to the work-life balance which the corporate professional may face, right? So now let's see, I can use this response from the ChatGPT to create further responses from ChatGPT. Let's say, so now the long working hours. So ChatGPT has given me a response that long working hours is one of the reasons that people may face in their corporate life to maintain the work-life balance. So let's see how we can use this one to create content for our social media. Okay. Can you give me 10 tips to help professionals manage their long working hours? So now let's see what ChatGPT comes up with the solutions. So now you have a content which is specific to a particular subject and being drilled down to a particular very specific topic which you want to use to create content about. So now you have 10 tips for the professional which you can use to communicate with your team or with your friends or with your social media followers to help them manage their long working hours, how they can use these tips to in their professional journey to maintain their work-life balance if they are having a long working hours. So this is how you can use ChatGPT by using two types of prompts. I started with a simple question which was this one, that are you aware of the corporate professionals and struggles and challenges they face during the career, and then I had a dialogue with the ChatGPT to create more content on that. So this is about ChatGPT and different types of prompts, and I will also continue with the other types of prompts which you can use to create content in advanced level. So this is it from my side. Thank you so much, and if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.